Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we will explore the popular anti-detect browser Indigo. Let's get started. Indigo is an anti-detection browser developed in Estonia, designed to provide safe and convenient interactions with various anti-fraud systems. It secures user data with full encryption in the cloud. The browser is available in two versions, one based on Chrome and the other on Firefox, both incorporating advanced security technologies. Key features of Indigo include proprietary fingerprint database capabilities for arbitrage, ensuring a high browser trust level, alongside efficient teamwork functionality that allows for quick and easy setup. Let's explore the tariff plans offered by Indigo. Solo is priced at €99, ideal for one user, and allows the creation of up to 100 browser profiles. Team costs €199, supporting up to 3 users and 300 browser profiles. It includes features for access control on active profiles and the ability to share profiles with team members. Scale at €399 accommodates teams of up to 7 users and allows for up to 1,000 browser profiles with added API access. Custom includes all features of the previous plans but allows for customization of users and profiles to meet specific client needs, with pricing determined individually. A 7-day trial period is also available with simple activation instructions provided on the website. Now let's launch the browser and explore its interface. Upon starting the browser, you land in the All Profiles section. Indigo offers two methods for creating new profiles. The first method is to create a full profile with customizable parameters. The second is a quick profile designed for one-time use and is not saved. To create a new profile, click Create New. A menu will appear where you can name the profile and add it to an existing group, if available. Choose the operating system for the profile. Options include macOS, Windows, Linux, and Android. Next, select a browser type. Choose between Stealth Fox, based on Firefox, or Mimic, based on Chrome. Configure proxy settings next. The browser supports HTTP, SOX4, and SOX5 protocols. Instructions for setting up a proxy in Indigo can be accessed by clicking the on-screen annotation or the link in the description. Set the time zone by selecting based on IP address or matching it to your device. Additional settings include enabling or disabling WebRTC and configuring IP geolocation. Under Navigator, configure the user agent, screen resolution, profile language, platform, and core usage, and toggle Do Not Track technology. In Fonts, add or remove fonts from the built-in catalog for use in the virtual profile. Media Devices allows for the configuration of media device masking, including setting the number of audio inputs, outputs, and video device inputs. Hardware includes settings for masking canvas and audio context. Additional WebGL settings are available below. Storage options enable management of memory usage for browser utilities like extensions or history. The Browser Plugins section includes settings for using potentially dangerous plugins and activating Flash plugins. Finally, activate Google Services, the built-in port scanner, and use custom DNS in the last section. After all configurations, you can review the current profile characteristics in the right panel. Now let's explore how to create a quick one-time profile. To begin, select an operating system from the available options and choose a browser type. If needed, you can also add a proxy. These one-time profiles are perfect for executing tasks swiftly without the need for intricate anonymity configurations. Having covered profile creation, let's now shift our focus to managing these profiles. In the All Profiles section, you'll find every profile you've created. Here you can duplicate, export, and customize profiles with cookies. For better organization, you can create folders and group profiles according to your needs. The Team Members section is tailored for user management. To invite a new team member, simply enter their email and assign a password, and they will receive an invitation to join. Under My Account, you can view current information about your account, ensuring all details are up to date. Don't overlook the default profile settings and application settings section. These areas allow you to configure standard settings, choose a default browser and extensions, and select from the supported languages, which include English and Russian. On the customization front, the right side of the screen allows you to toggle between light and dark modes, ensuring comfortable usability at any time of day. From today's review, it's clear that the Indigo browser significantly streamlines interactions with modern solutions for both individual users and teams. You can operate your Indigo account across an unlimited number of devices, automate tasks via the API, and enjoy efficient team functionalities that save time on profile management and access control. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.